In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Contact Us page for your Shopify store. Whether you're running a dropshipping business or you simply want to provide your customers with a clear way to reach you, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Online Store section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Pages. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Add Page button in the top right corner. You'll see several options that help you create a new page for your store. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Shopify's interface is very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your page title ready. Think about what information you want to include, such as business hours, response times, or any specific instructions for your customers. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help create a more professional page. Once you're in the page editor, type Contact Us in the title field. Then move on to the Content section to add any welcome text or important details your customers should know before reaching out. Scroll down to the Visibility section and make sure to select Visible so your page is accessible to the public. After that, head to the Template section and select Contact from the drop-down menu. This template automatically includes a form where customers can fill in their details and send you messages directly from your site. Once you're finished setting up the page, click Save to apply all your changes. After that, you should be able to see your Contact Us page live on your store, giving your customers a reliable way to get in touch without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically check the messages you receive and respond promptly. Taking this extra step ensures excellent customer service and strengthens trust with your audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a fully functional Contact Us page on Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be building a Shopify store. Why not make someone's day easier?